This video is going to show you how to do the cable part of the pattern that I have available in my Etsy shop for $1. And you'll need your cable needle to learn how to do this stitch. So go ahead and gather your cable needle and we'll get ready. These stitches right here are not the amount of stitches that's in the actual pattern. You'll have to purchase the pattern in order to find out how to do the complete head wrap. But go ahead and get your cable needle and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, now that we've got our cable needle, we're ready to start the cable stitch. So you're going to take your cable needle and you're going to slip it into the first 3 stitches on your left hand needle, and you're just going to slide them off, and then you're going to hold it in front, and then you're going to knit the next 3 stitches. And then you're going to take the stitches on your cable needle and you're going to slide them back onto your left needle. And then you're going to knit those 3 stitches that you had just put back on your left needle. Oops, finger got tangled. And you're gonna 1, 2, 3, and then we've got our little twist right there. Then you're going to proceed with the next steps in the pattern. And if you get subscribed to my channel, I'll be posting some more videos that are helpful with the patterns that you download in my Etsy shop. I'll include my Etsy shop link along with the link to the pattern for this inspired CC Beanie head wrap. Thank you.
And enjoy a serene scene that I took from Turner Falls Park.